How to feel positive every day with 3 simple tricks. Positivity is one of the most powerful and most underrated traits that we can develop. So often you hear about people wanting to be better looking, stronger, thinner, smarter, or funnier. But how about more positive? Being more positive means you'll take more chances in your life. It means that you'll be more inclined to spot positive opportunities. And it means that you'll give off a positive energy that makes others want to spend time with you. In fact, you can even become luckier by many measures, simply by adopting a more positive mindset. This has to do with the law of attraction, which we won't get into here. So how do you become more positive? Here are 3 easy tricks you can use every single day. Focus on the positive. Many people will try to develop a gratitude attitude by focusing on the things in life that they are grateful for. They might do this at the end of each day by writing down those things in a journal, for example. But you can really do this with anything. How about taking the time to write down 3 things you did really well lately? Or 3 things that you are excited about and looking forward to? You can do this in the morning, and you'll find that you feel more positive for the rest of the day. Plus, you'll find it becomes easier to think more positively in the future as you develop the habit. Looking for the positive spin. In a similar manner, you can likewise practice looking for the positive spin in any situation. When something bad happens, look for the opportunities and ask yourself what the good news is. While this can be hard when you're feeling low, it can also immediately improve the situation, and it can help you to develop more positive habits. Look after your health. Finally, know that positivity is born from the way you feel in yourself. If you're hungry, tired, and out of shape, then you will struggle to focus on the positive. Sleep well, eat well, and supplement your diet with nutrients, and you'll feel more positive all of the time. Exercise is particularly good for this because it encourages the production of endorphins, like serotonin, that place us in a better mood, thereby making everything else seem more positive.
I have a special gift for you, and it's absolutely free. Would you like to learn how to clear blocks of disbelief and how to attract more positive experiences into your life? How to think it, feel it, believe it. How to bring out the greatness of the moment and live in your desired manifestation and cultivate a sense of abundance. Download your guided meditation absolutely free and discover the fastest way to help you manifest whatever you want into your reality. Please visit ultimatehappinesscode.com.